Hi, I'm Tony Pellegrino from GenRight Off-Road, and I'm going to show you how to install one of our brand new quick release steering wheel setups on a standard TJ. This will apply from 1997 all the way up through 2006. So you're going to start by removing some small bolts out of the back of the steering wheel. I've already pulled them out to make it easy. You just need a small 8mm socket. There's one on each side. That's going to release this, and you've got a couple wires back here to unplug that disconnect the horn and the airbag. So you get those out of the way. Then you're going to need a socket, and I used a 13/16, and that pulled off the big nut. Now in the early model years they had a nut, and in the later model years it was a bolt. So just depends on which one you've got. Then I used a standard 2-jaw puller to pull the wheel off. I've already got it loose, so that came off easy. Now the trick is you've got a little bit of electronics here that eventually we're going to move, but the first thing you've got to do is get a really good 5/16 bit, and there's a pilot drilled in the end of this. So you're going to drill this out, which I've already done, and then you're going to cut off the threads that are showing here, and then we're going to tap it. So it's a 10mm by 1.5 thread pitch. We're going to tap that shaft, and then our new piece will bolt on there using a bolt, an Allen bolt from the inside like this, that'll go down inside, and then the whole thing goes on top. Before we bolt it on, we're going to remove this stuff. I left this on here right now because when we're drilling and tapping, there's a bunch of chips, and I got a little blanket in here to help catch a lot of that. Some of these are hot. You don't want to burn the seat, and you want to keep the chips out of the steering column. So after I'm done drilling and tapping, I'm going to pop this off, slip this module out, and then bolt that back down. And then the whole thing will go together, and the installation will be complete.